Remember the Volkswagen Beetle? That cute, curvy icon rolling down suburban lanes, a heartwarming relic of automotive nostalgia. Well, buckle up, because the Volkswagen Beetle 2025 is back, and it's nothing like you remember. Some say VW has betrayed the Beetle's legacy, but is that really true? Stay tuned, because we're diving headfirst into the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle, and hint, its biggest flaw might just blow your mind. Step into the future. The new Volkswagen Beetle 2025 greets you with a silhouette sharper than a samurai's blade. Gone are the bulbous curves of the VW Beetle 2024. In their place, chiseled lines and pronounced wheel arches create a stance that's equal parts aggressive and elegant. The front fascia boasts full matrix LED vortex eyes that sweep into the fenders, giving the 2025 VW Beetle a predatory gaze. A floating roof effect achieved by gloss black A-pillars seemingly suspends the cabin in mid-air, pure magic. Wide 20-inch aero wheels, exclusive to the Beetle 2025 edition, slice through wind like a jet fighter's turbines. Every curve and contour whispers a single message: the future of Volkswagen Beetle 2025 is here. And it's more than just a facelift, it's a full-on revolution. Slide inside, and you'll feel transported to tomorrow. The Volkswagen Beetle 2025 interior is a sensory feast. Equinox ambient lighting dances across the dash in customizable hues, setting the mood from electric blue to volcanic red. A wraparound cockpit design cradles driver and passenger alike in ergonomic vegan leather seats with integrated cooling and massage functions, luxury that trips the nostalgic sensor and resets it for a new era. Center stage sits the 12.3-inch ID Infotainment Pro, seamlessly integrated with AR navigation and a voice assistant that knows your coffee order before you finish asking. And yes, there's still that iconic circular motif, reimagined as a digital halo ring around the steering columns, reminding you that while everything's changed, some Beetle spirit endures. This isn't just an upcoming Volkswagen Beetle 2025, it's a next-gen experience. Under the hood, or should we say beneath the floor, lies an all-electric heart. Imagine 250 kilowatts of silent fury, 299 pound-feet of torque that launches you from 0 to 60 in a breathless 5.8 seconds. The 2025 VW Beetle glides along the tarmac with a whispering hum, its battery pack offering up to 310 miles of range on the WLTP cycle, enough to chase horizons without ever glancing nervously at a charging station. It's a dance of electrons and dreams, a mechanical poem where every stat is a verse, horsepower, 335 PS of unbridled electric poetry, range, 500 kilometers of road-tripping freedom. 10 to 80% in just 25 minutes, with 150 kWh DC fast charging. In an age of gas guzzlers and digital dashboards, this is the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle preview you never saw coming, an alchemy of performance and elegy. But here's the catch, and Americans, this one stings. Despite this breathtaking evolution, the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle lacks all-wheel drive. Yes, you heard that right. For a vehicle built to eclipse its past, it's astonishingly two-wheel drive only. In snow, rain, and gravel, this could be a deal-breaker, especially compared to its rivals. No matter how revolutionary the Beetle 2025 edition styling, no matter the poetic torque or the sumptuous cabin, if you crave traction confidence in shifting conditions, you'll need to reconsider. It's a flaw so stark in a world chasing AWD, and VW's omission has purists crying betrayal. Enter the Renault 5 EV, the Beetle's fiercest rival. With AWD options, comparable range, and a price tag that undercuts VW, the Renault 5 positions itself squarely against the 2025 VW Beetle price point. Renault 5 EV, AWD versatility, 260-mile, range starting at 34,900 2025. Volkswagen Beetle, RWD only, 310-mile WLTP range, MSRP from $39,900 to $95. In this wheel-to-wheel duel, the Beetle 2025 must bank on its design pedigree and brand allure, because on paper, the 2025 VW Beetle review won't look as attractive as its Gallic challenger. But what of tomorrow? VW's teased an upcoming Volkswagen Beetle 2025 convertible, the 2025 VW Beetle Cabriolet, and whispers of an AWD variant are swirling. If VW addresses that Achilles' heel, the future of Volkswagen Beetle 2025 could be bright indeed. A modular EV platform means mid-cycle refreshes, performance trims and special editions. Imagine a Beetle R with dual motors and drift mode. In 5 years, the Beetle 2025 might be an EV legend. For now, it's a beautifully flawed revival. So, is the Volkswagen Beetle 2025 the triumphant return we've all been waiting for, or a nostalgic misstep with one glaring omission? You decide. Drop a comment below with your verdict. Smash that like button if you're excited for the new Volkswagen Beetle 2025, and don't forget to subscribe for our 2025 VW Beetle finally revealed deep dives. The Beetle 2025 might not be the same creature you remember, but in its reinvention lies the future. Thanks for watching.